Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the organizer account. Make sure your device runs iOS 8 or later and you're signed into iCloud. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and iCloud services so sharing works reliably. Now, open Settings, tap your name, then Family Sharing and choose Start. You'll be prompted to add payment method and pick features like purchases, iCloud storage, and location. Follow on-screen prompts. This initiates the group and sends invites to family members. Next, you add people and configure what's shared. Tap Add Family Member and choose Invite via Messages or enter their Apple ID directly. You may also add a child account in person using the authentication code. Then select which features to share: purchase sharing, Apple Music, iCloud storage, and location, so everyone gets the right access. Make sure to assign parent/guardian roles and enable Ask to Buy for children. This prevents unwanted purchases and keeps consent centralized. To finish, have each invited member accept the family sharing invite on their device and verify their Apple ID is correct. Once accepted, test by downloading a shared purchase and checking iCloud storage usage. Make sure purchases and location show active in family settings. If something fails, sign out and sign back in, update to the latest iOS, and confirm two-factor authentication is active. This one troubleshooting step solves most sync and permission problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.